From Chicago, this is Luke with Luke Thornton Living Life. What if I told you that just a short ride from the Chicago Loop, you could be instantly transported to the sights, sounds, and smells of South Asia? Forget the plane ticket. Welcome to Devon Avenue, Chicago's vibrant and bustling cultural corridor, affectionately known as Little India. We're diving headfirst into this 1 mile stretch in the West Ridge neighborhood, packed with incredible food, stunning jewelry, and a rich history that's been shaping the city for decades. Get ready because your taste buds and your wardrobe are about to say thank you. Let's go. Chicago's Little India isn't just a collection of shops. It's a crucial part of Chicago's immigration story. The neighborhood really took shape starting in the 1970s. This was after changes to U.S. immigration law. Immigrants from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and other South Asian countries began settling here. Devon Avenue is an absolute paradise for foodies. You could spend a week here and not run out of incredible. So whether you're looking for a special outfit or just soaking up the incredible visual feast, you need to step inside one of these textile stores. The colors, the fabrics, the embroidery, it's stunning. Junaid Jameshed. Okay, close enough. And you're from Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you guys known for here as far as your clothing line?
We're known for our three-piece suits for ladies and men's shalwar kameez.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, in this area, so we have all the casual.
Okay.
We sell casual, and we also have a store in Bangladesh.
You do have a store in Bangladesh?
In Dhaka, Road 11.
Oh, and it's the same name?
Yeah.
Fantastic. I can't wait to put that up there.
Yeah, we have a lot of Bangladesh customers too here.
Okay.
Yeah, and they come and shop for their casual or semi-formal.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, I want to thank you guys for talking to me today.
No
The
problem.
name of my show is Luke Thornton Living Life. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Imagine my surprise when I walked in this shop. I had no idea that they were a global empire of fashion. You have a nice looking shop. Thank you. So let's continue our journey of walking down Devon Avenue. I'm seeing so many places that I had no idea existed. I'm really impressed by the shops, by the stores, and by the friendly people that I met along the way as I was recording for my YouTube channel. It's funny, we all live in the same city and we don't always go to these neighborhoods that surround our communities. had no idea so many fashion places were. Okay, we're gonna stop at Al Ajwa Sweets on our way back and try that. Wow. Those are pretty. It may be closed, but India Saree Palace was the very first Indian business on Devon Avenue. It's now time to try some chai. That is the word for tea, so we're going to try some with milk and jaggers in it. And let me tell you, it really was delicious. We're going to try a couple more places as well. I think this is the first men's shop I've seen. Everything else has been for the women. So we are at Patel Brothers, the original location of what's now a nationwide chain. You can find absolutely everything here, every spice imaginable, fresh produce that you won't find anywhere else in Chicago. And oh, wait till you see this rice selection. I've never seen so much rice. Looking for things like fresh curry leaves or specific blend of garam masala you love. These ingredients are the key to bringing the flavors of Devon Avenue home with you. Did I say rice? And more rice? And even still more rice? Checking out. Oops, 50 years in business. Ball house? Now serving ice cream. Here. Right here. Aren't you supposed to, is it already sweet?
Oh, that's delicious.
There you go. That looks pretty good. I think I'm going to go with the baklava, which is right here, which is one of my favorite desserts. But as you can see, they have a little bit of everything. Very tasty, even the cold stuff. So, just waiting for the represent. Oh, nuts! You always see the nuts over here, especially the cashews. Go on here, you know, unless you want to say hello or something like that. No, okay. Around the world on Devon. Places I may have missed on the way down. You enjoyed this trip. Please give this video a like, subscribe for more explorations, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss where we go next. Thanks for coming along on this journey to Little India. We'll see you in the very next video. Thank you for walking with me today along Devon Avenue, Chicago's Little India. So until the next time I post, please, anytime you're in Chicago, look me up. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.